Hello guys, I want to teach you how to activate a Payforce POS after it must have been mapped to you. Okay, if you get a Payforce POS machine and it hasn't been activated, these are the process. This Payforce is currently off. Okay, so what you need to do is to power it on first. Okay, and this is the power button. You press and hold for some time. Okay, when it must have finished booting, this is the next interface you will see. Okay, hope you're seeing it. You're seeing app market, phone settings, and updates. The next thing you need to do is to connect a source of data. Okay, you can either face SIM card. Okay, you can either face SIM card, that is macro size, the bigger size. Okay, either through here or through here. Okay, you don't need to fix two SIM cards at the same time. If you fix two SIM cards at the same time, it will not work. Okay, you just need to fix one SIM card. Okay, data source, that's what I said. Then the next thing you need to set is the paper. Okay, paper. And how to fix the paper is by holding display, pulling it up a little bit. Okay, and the paper rule is supposed to be like this. Remember how I place it. If you look at the inside too, you will see how it is drawn. Okay, you place it outside. It needs to be facing this way. It's not this way. Remember what I said, it's not this way. The paper roll is not this way. It needs to be facing this white side. Okay, the paper needs to be coming out through that side. Okay, so that is how to fix the paper roll. So we have known how to place to put the SIM card, the data source from the SIM card, and the next thing we'll be knowing is how to fix to connect data, to connect hotspots to it. So this is a phone, this is another phone. Okay, let's connect hotspots to it. So the next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Okay, let's do like we want to connect hotspots. Normally what I use is Wi-Fi. I use Wi-Fi. Okay, but let's learn how to connect hotspot. The first thing you need to do is to tap on your data connection. Then after tapping on your data, you look for where hotspot is. Now there's something you need to get from the hotspot side, which you'll be needing while operating on the POS. You need to tap and hold the hotspot side. Okay, so that you get to the hotspot settings where you will see the password. Okay, if you look very well, this is the password. This is the password of this hotspot. Okay, so after getting note, please remember that hotspots some used to carry capital letter. If it is carrying capital letter, also use same. Don't change it to small letter while imputing in your POS. Okay, so the place you need to impute this hot password is through your Wi-Fi port. Okay, let's go on. Okay, this is the POS. Let's go back to the place we have to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, so you remember the password of that Wi-Fi we connected or the hotspot we on. But me, I normally use my Wi-Fi, so I don't use phone hotspot. But the same process for connecting hotspot is also the same process for connecting Wi-Fi. Okay, what you just need to get from the Wi-Fi is just the password you need to get from the hotspot side to connect to your Wi-Fi. So immediately you on your Wi-Fi, just by doing the same thing I did that time, let's redo it again. Immediately what you just need to, let's off the Wi-Fi again. Let's off it. Okay, if you tap on it here, you leave it. So it will bring out the name of the hotspot you're on. But for this one, it's the Wi-Fi that it is bringing out, the Wi-Fi. So the next thing now you do is to tap on the hotspot or the Wi-Fi to now impute that password. You remember, right? Hope you're following. Okay, so for my own case, it's not the Wi-Fi. This is the password. Let me impute it now. Then the next thing is to connect after imputing your password. When you connect, you press connect. Sorry, I was pressing another side of the screen. Remember that Payforce is a kind of device you can operate from the button and also from the app. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on the app market. Okay, you tap on the app market, it will show the homepage, manager, and me. Don't mind this other manager and me for now. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to tap on install under homepage. It will start install. Either you press it from that place or you tap, it carries you to this extent where it will now start counting from 0 to 100%. So as soon as the thing has finished installing, the next thing I'll pop up is open. There's something I forgot telling you. If you fix SIM card, okay, you want to use data source from SIM card, this is the name of the SIM card, either MTN or Glo. It will show here. Then what you just need to do is to tap on it. Okay, the same way you tapped on the Wi-Fi button, Wi-Fi icon, to bring out the name of the Wi-Fi available. Okay, that's the same way you just tap on this place, then it will be connected via data. So the Payforce app has finished installing. Is now to open it. If you don't want to open it from here, if you don't want to tap open it to open, you can just press the back button. You will see that this app has popped up. Before it wasn't here. If you can go back to the video, you'll find out that this particular button, this particular app wasn't here. So you just tap on it. Okay, this device has already been mapped. Okay, it has been mapped. So the next thing for us to start doing on it is to configure it. Okay, so this is the next interface that will pop up. Let's press OK. Let's tap on configuration. It's processing. Okay, it's now showing dismiss. Let's tap on dismiss. This is it. There is a newborn baby. Okay, so you can do your withdrawal from here. You can do your fund transfer. You can do your card to bank transfer. You can also tap here. You can tap here. Okay, then you can scroll up. Okay, yes, this is how it works. These are the when you've gotten to this extent, remember to come here and tap the configuration again, because sometimes the configuration, this part, we may forget tapping that configuration very well. Okay, so this is it. Let's come back here so that we'll see some of the functions inside. Okay, sorry that I'm tapping it. We'll see the functions inside. So this is your withdrawal, where you insert your ATM card. This is the place to insert your ATM card. Okay, this is your withdrawal button. Okay, this is your withdrawal button. If you click on this, you input your detail. Okay, no need of this. Okay, this is where to do your fund transfer from the POS to another bank. This is where to press for card transfer. Okay, from ATM card to another bank. This one is from bank, from the POS to another bank. This one is from ATM card to another bank. Okay, this is where to pay bills. This is where to balance inquiry. That is ATM card inquiry. Okay, this wallet is where you press and see the value in your POS. This is where to lodge disputes if there's any transaction issues. This is where to see your transaction history. Remember that the major thing you'll be needing here is your transaction pin. Okay, and your transaction pin is set through your onboarding process. Okay, yes, it's set through your onboarding process. This is your bank's network. This is where you can check the network of bank before you do transaction. Okay, here are they. Yes, here are they. So this is where you check the network of banks. Do yourself some good. Anytime you want to collect device from me, ask me for my sponsor code. If you want to collect device from me, ask me for my sponsor code. I will be dropping my sponsor code under this place. If you didn't put my sponsor code, I will not be able to assign terminal to you. Get this very well. It is the sponsor code that will register your onboarding on my dashboard, and that will give me the leverage to assign terminal to you. And without that sponsor code, nobody can assign terminal to you. So if you need a terminal, fortunately, you have onboarded yourself through our app, but you need a terminal probably so that you can access loan. You need to re-onboard yourself with my terminal, with my sponsor code. Okay, you can do this yourself without sending any of your confidential details to me, but just remember to use the same email address on your utility bill. Utility bill can be your house rent, it can be your shop rent, it can be your electricity bill. Then let this utility bill let the payment on it be within the space of 3 months. If it is more than 3 months, it will not be accepted. And let there also be a name and an address. These 3 details must be on the utility bill before it will be accepted. Now, is the address on the utility bill that you would use to onboard yourself. Okay, I'll be dropping my sponsor code under this video. Yes, I'll be dropping it. So if you want to onboard yourself, use my sponsor code. Now, if you want to communicate to me to get a Payforce machine, call me with this number 081-251-31516. I call my number again 081-251-31516. I'll also be dropping it. You can also reach me on WhatsApp with this number 070-382 94174. I call it again 070-382-94174. Remember that Payforce uses a Type-C charger, and there's this mistake most of our people used to do. With time, you will start using another Type-C charger that you get from another market to charge your POS. You're damaging your POS. This charger was manufactured for this POS. Do you understand? It was manufactured for a specified it was electronic device. So please endeavor to use this charger. The charger that the POS is coming, endeavor to use it for that particular device. This is electronics, and the manufacturer, this is the manufacturer specification. So if you go outside the manufacturer specification, that means you're calling in another thing. And also, don't forget that with your Payforce, you are guaranteed within 3 months. If you don't like the Payforce POS, you can return it and get back 100% of what you paid. Remember, the cost of Payforce is 21,000 naira. If the 20,000 is for the device, 1,000 naira is for insurance. If you're returning the device, the carton must be neat, the charger must be intact, and no scratch on the POS. You get back 20,000 naira. The insurance is it cannot be refunded. Yes, the insurance cannot be refunded. So what you get is only 20,000 naira. No other company in this world does this. Exactly. No other, come to talk of POS. No POS company gives even up to 50%. Yes, no POS gives up to 50% back. Yes, I mean the sum total of the cost of the device. Yes, come talk of 80. This one gives 100% within 3 months. If you don't like it, this will tell you that they know what they are giving out. So do yourself some good. Get your device from an experienced staff of the company. Yes, get it from experienced staff of the company, because sometimes you may probably have some issues that if the person that is giving you the device not experienced, it will be hard to be resolved. Have a blissful day.